Hello, refiners! This is Tammy, Chief Strategic Maestro of Flame Delight. Welcome, welcome, welcome! Today we're going to talk about Black History Month, so happy Black History Month 2026! Hello, Royals! Black History Month is a marker in time where celebration is placed at the forefront. Yay! But celebration is going to be intentional. It's going to be an intentional act of honoring the achievements, the contributions, the presence of Black people who have shaped society in extraordinary and especially everyday wins. At Flame Delights, we believe celebration is not just about milestones, it's about meaning. Celebrations to the next level of awesome. And why does this matter? Celebrations matter, right? We want to always move from a position of strength. We want to clap. We want to just enjoy the fact that we are here and that we are making big contributions. Black History Month reminds us that celebration is powerful. It affirms worth. It nurtures confidence and it restores dignity. While we honor the greats whose names are widely known, we must also celebrate everyday acceptance, everyday progress, everyday courage. The decision that we make, celebrate it. The decisions to show up, the willingness to try again, and the strength to believe that it can be done, because it can be done. Those moments are the quiet engine of the Black History movement. Empowerment through strength, through beauty, through intelligence. True celebration recognizes the whole person. And at Flame Delights, we celebrate people as they are: beautiful, strong, intelligent, creative, and worthy of being seen with dignity and with pride. When people feel empowered, they take up space with confidence. They overcome limiting beliefs. They move forward knowing that they belong. And celebration becomes fuel, not a distraction. From barriers to breakthroughs, celebrate to the next level of awesome. Black History Month invites us to reflect on what we have overcome and how we will continue to move forward. But progress, it's not meant to be walked alone. As we rise, we link arms. As we succeed, we bring others along. And as we celebrate, we will make room for joy, more access, and more opportunity. This is how celebration becomes community. So, as we know, it's all about mental wellness, and our mental health tip around the celebrations for Black History Month is to know that celebration is a form of self-regulation. Pausing to honor wins, big and small, will help calm the nervous system, strengthen self-worth, and reinforce resilience. Joy is not indulgent. Joy is restorative. And we must do so with purpose. Flame Delights is a premium event management, shopping, and rental service operating in a spirit of intentional luxury. Every service, every product, every experience is designed to be unique, designed to be thoughtful, and it's aligned with the movement of being celebrated. Luxury isn't excess, it is care, detail, and meaning. So celebrate to your next level of awesome, to next and to better. Our celebration philosophy mirrors our movement. To next, we honor growth, milestones, and forward motion. To better, we refine experiences, elevate moments, and deepen impact. Celebration evolves as we do. A call to celebrate with intention. This Black History Month, we encourage you to solicit the services from Black-led, Black Lens, and Black achieving businesses. Support Black creatives, planners, and community builders. Choose celebration as an act of empowerment, because where we invest our joy, we invest our future. So this Black History Month and all the Black History Months to come, they remind us that we are worthy of celebration, not someday, but right now. So in the everyday, in the progress, in the joy, celebrate to your next level of awesome. At Flame Delights, we are honored to help you choose celebration as an act of empowerment, because where we invest our joy, we invest our future. So this Black History Month and all the Black History Months to come, they remind us that we are worthy of celebration, not someday, but right now. So in the everyday, in the progress, in the joy, celebrate to your next level of awesome. At Flame Delights, we are honored to help you mark those moments as you too will celebrate to your next level of awesome. So connect with me, Tammy, at flamedelights.com, and we're going to do big things together. Happy Black History Month 2026. Bye.